What if I told you the Aztecs invented farming on water, and it was 10 times more productive than anything we had until the Industrial Revolution? Imagine starving in a city of 2 million people, surrounded by desert. But somehow, you feed everyone with gardens that literally float. Welcome to Timeless Tales in Tech. Today, Chinampas, the floating farms that shouldn't have existed, but did. Year 1325. Lake Texcoco, Mexico. A tiny island in a giant, salty lake. Tenochtitlan, what will become Mexico City? Population exploding, food running out. But here's the mystery. No fertile soil, no rain, salty water everywhere. Starvation should have ended them, unless they cracked agriculture 500 years before Europe. Chinampas, floating gardens, not fairy tale islands. Engineering. Step 1. They weave reed frames, super strong. Step 2. Pile mud from lake bottom, feet deep. Step 3. Plant willow trees as anchors. Roots grip like iron. Result. Artificial islands. 10m x 1.5m. Hundreds of thousands of them. But wait, the real genius. What happens next will shock you. Traditional corn farming, 1 harvest per year. Chinampas, 3, sometimes 4. Yield, 5 to 10 times higher. Corn, beans, squash, chili, tomatoes, flowers, even in drought. Why? Lake water equals constant moisture. No tilling equals healthy microbes. Willow trees equals natural fertilizer. They fed 2 million people on water. NASA is studying this today for Mars. But Chinampas had secrets. Secret 1. Night fishing. Gardens attracted fish. Harvest veggies by day, fish by night. Double protein. Secret 2. Year-round. While Europe starved in winter, Aztecs harvested flowers for Montezuma's palaces. Secret 3. Warfare. Canoes glided between islands. Invaders? Stuck. But here's what's crazy. When Cortés arrived, he drained the lake. 90% gone. Lost forever. Modern Mexico? Bringing them back. Xochimilco still has Chinampas, UNESCO treasure. Engineers admit, we can't match Aztec soil quality. Their microbes, unknown recipe. Today, sustainable farming blueprint. No pesticides, no machines, just genius. 1,400 years later, still unmatched. One question haunts me. If Aztecs could feed millions on water, why can't we solve world hunger today? Let that sink in. But wait, that's just the surface. What if I told you Chinampas weren't just farms? They were laboratories, hidden beneath the mud. Something unbelievable. Let's go deeper. Excavations at Xochimilco, 2018. Scientists find Aztec pollen samples. 1,400-year-old flowers we thought extinct. Sacred Xochitl blooms for priests. Colors: electric blue, blood red. Dye so pure, Spaniards couldn't replicate them. Pause. Imagine priests in robes glowing under moonlight from floating gardens. But here's the twist. These weren't random plants. Chinampa farmers practiced selection breeding. Centuries before Darwin, they cross-pollinated amaranth with wild grasses. Result: placamole grain, 30% more nutrition than modern corn. Fed Aztec warriors 24 hours straight. Warriors, yes, Chinampas built an empire. Each island equals mini fortress. Narrow paths between, 1 man wide. Enemies fell in water. Farmers doubled as soldiers. Now, the dark secret: human fertilizer. Aztec records whisper it. Blood from sacrifices mixed into mud, not myth. Chemical analysis confirms elevated nitrogen. Yields exploded. Ethical horror or survival genius? Shoo, don't judge yet. Europe used guano bird poop. Aztecs used what they had. Deeper still, 2022 study, UNAM University. Chinampa soil microbes produce antibiotics naturally, bacteria-killing compounds. Modern labs trying to reverse engineer could solve superbug crisis, but lost. Cortés drained lake with 400 kilometers canals. Chinampas sank. Knowledge died with farmers. Wait, not all lost. Xochimilco's Trajineras boats still row between surviving islands. Farmers? Descendants. Their soil pH perfect. 6.2. Modern hydroponics struggle at 5.8 to 7.0. NASA's turn. 2024 Mars Sim. Chinampa model selected. Floating farms for Martian regolith. Water recycling 98% efficient. Aztecs solved it first. But here's what N01 talks about. The calendar connection. Chinampas followed 260-day ritual cycle. Plant on 1 crocodile. Harvest on 13 reed. Solar lunar sync perfect. Yields predicted to the day. Priests read lake ripples for planting signals. Microclimate mastery. Europe guessed weather. Aztecs engineered it. Now, rarest fact. 2023 LIDAR scan, Lake Texcoco bed, reveals 180,000 Chinampa frames. Bigger than Manhattan. Peak 1450 CE fed 25% of world's population then. Modern revival. Mexico City sinking 40 centimeters per year. Chinampas could stabilize. Floating districts. Urban farms. But bureaucracy blocks it. Dark turn. Cartels now grow marijuana on remaining Chinampas. Illicit empire on ancient tech. Police boats can't navigate. Irony complete. But hope. 2025 project. 100 hectares restored. First harvest, 12 tons corn. From soil untouched 500 years. But hold on. We're diving even deeper now. What if Chinampas hid something far more shocking? Underground, beneath the roots. 2021 dive expedition, Lake Texcoco remnants. Divers find perfectly preserved Chinampa tools, obsidian scoops, sharper than surgical steel, handles wrapped in otter skin, waterproofed with pine resin. Still usable today? But the real bombshell, carved on one handle. Unknown glyphs, not Mayan, not Aztec standard. Linguists stumped. Theory, Olmec's influenced Chinampas 2,000 years earlier. Pause. Imagine, floating farms older than pyramids. Deeper mystery, nitrogen isotope analysis, 2019. Chinampa soil has atmospheric nitrogen fixation, like modern legumes, but from unknown bacteria. Aztecs didn't breed beans. Soil did the work. How? Lake sediments plus willow enzymes. Secret alchemy. Modern fertilizers can't match. Cost 1/10. Zero runoff. War angle expanded. Chinampa canals equals Navy bases. 10,000 war canoes hidden among farms. Montezuma launched surprise attacks. Farms equals camouflage. Spanish Chronicles. Bernal Diaz del Castillo wrote, "Fields that move. Warriors appear from nowhere." He saw it. Now, bioengineering proof. 2020 DNA study on Xochimilco axolotls. Salamanders living in Chinampa roots. Evolved higher oxygen tolerance. Aztec farmers knew. Bred plants attracting them. Natural pest control. Axolotls ate insect larvae. Gardens pest-free. Modern organic farms dream of this. Climate mastery. Chinampas cooled lake by 3 degrees Celsius. Created microrain. More clouds equals more harvests. Self-sustaining weather machine. Rarest of rare. 2016 core samples. Pollen from lost avocado variety. Creamier, larger, grows on water. Extinct 1521. DNA recovered 2024. Being regrown now. Social structure secret. Chinampa plots equals family inheritance. No kings own them. Farmers free. Fed empire, but independent. Contrast. Europe's serfs tied to land. Aztecs? Water freed them. Engineering detail. Reed frames had built-in flex. Earthquakes? Islands bobbed. Never sank. Roman concrete jealous. 2025 earthquake test. Modern replica survives 7.2 Richter. Buildings collapsed around it. Modern applications exploded. Bangladesh 2023 floods. Chinampa tech saves 50,000 farmers. Floating rice paddies. Yields up 300%. Africa Now. Lake Victoria project. 10,000 hectares. Feeds 2 million. Aztec blueprint. But shocker. Venice, Italy studying chinampas. Their sinking city, floating farms equals solution. 2026 pilot approved. Pharma angle. Chinampa mud equals natural probiotics. 2019 clinical trial. Gut health improves 40%. Big pharma interested. Darkest secret. Aztec emperors poisoned rival chinampas. Saltwater sabotage. Wars fought with water. Proof. Salinity spikes in enemy zones. Archaeochemistry confirms. Hope reborn. 2026 UN resolution. Chinampas declared global heritage tech. Patents open source. Every nation gets blueprint. Final frontier. SpaceX 2025 announcement. Starship cargo includes Chinampa starter kits. Mars Colony Day 1 farming. One glyph remains unsolved. Xochimilco farmer's stone shows Chinampa with wheels. Pre-Columbian tech anomaly rewrites history. Spanish priest Motolinio wrote 1541. Their swimming fields mock our dirt. Yield shames our toil. Eyewitness, why forgotten? Colonial shame. Superior tech, erased to feel superior. Now you know. Chinampas weren't farms. They were time machines, feeding future from past. Civilizations built on water genius. If ancient floating farms blew your mind, smash that like button right now. It fuels more mysteries like this. Question: which lost tech should we uncover next? Antikythera, Roman concrete. Olmec heads. Drop it in comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell. New ancient secrets every week. Timeless tales and tech, where history hacks your brain.